Hello, my friends. I'm going to try a Dutch pour, and I have my beads standing by, but I'm hoping just do a plain Dutch pour. Boy, looking through my phone, these colors look gross. In real life, this is a lovely mint green, and this is a lavender. But through my camera, this looks to me like Pepto-Bismol color, and I promise you it's not that. So, I don't know. Hopefully, when you see this, it'll be more true to life. So, my colors are a deep violet, kind of a spring green. I doctored this up with yellow and white. And this is what I added to white and a little more yellow to come up with that color. This is Prism violet, and then I mixed a turquoise with, I don't know, all sorts of colors until I came up with this. It's got some of this green in it, some yellow, some off blue I had, and a bit of white, I think. So I was hoping to kind of get a Northern Lights look, but who knows? So here we go. Gosh, one of the cats is trying to get in the room here. And now the dogs will start barking at the cat. If you saw my last video, you may recall I said we have a couple of temporary cats. And one of them is always following me. It's pretty funny. Probably enough color. Let me add a little more of this turquoise. Okay, that should be plenty. So, let's see. I'm going to start in the middle and blow that away. Well, I don't have any extra base color, and I need something else going on up there, so I like these. I like the looks of these little cells, and I don't even mind that, but I don't like this. So I'll run some more along there. Okay. Oh, I like that. Am I done? I think I might be. I think I am done. I'm going to hit this just to go over the edges a bit. And it's kind of weird, but I kind of like it. Okay. I better leave it alone. Wow. Crazy colors, but I rather like it. Let me bring you in. I really like the size and shapes of these cells. There's plenty of cell action, but they're not giant. And I just like that look. That's about as big as they get right there. Sorry about that big shadow. It's late at night here. That's a pretty corner. Still looks very pink there when it's actually a lavender. So, yeah, I like it quite a bit. Jenny, if you're watching, I love it. Okay, my friends. Well, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.